The observable universe encompasses the segment of the cosmos that humanity can perceive and scrutinize utilizing telescopes and various scientific instruments. However, this capacity is inherently constrained due to the finite speed at which light, the fundamental conveyor of information about the universe, can travel. Consequently, our observational purview is confined to objects and occurrences situated within a specific range from our vantage point. This spatial limitation means that we are able to directly perceive entities or phenomena that transpired far back in the annals of cosmic history. Estimations place the diameter of the observable universe at a staggering 93 billion light-years, a measurement vastly exceeding the calculated age of the universe, which stands at approximately 13.8 billion years. The disparity between these figures arises from the cosmic phenomenon of universal expansion. As the universe expands, objects that were once in close proximity to each other are propelled farther apart. Consequently, the light emitted from these distant celestial bodies necessitates an extended duration to traverse the expanding cosmos and reach our observational apparatus. Despite the immense wealth of knowledge gleaned from our observations, the universe remains an enigmatic and captivating expanse harboring countless mysteries yet to be unraveled. The boundaries of our understanding continually expand as we endeavor to comprehend the intricacies of cosmic phenomena and the underlying mechanisms governing the cosmos. However, with the use of NASA's James Webb Telescope and other scientific instruments, we continue to learn more about the structure, composition, and history of the universe, as well as various phenomena. Join us as we discover the massive structure that they came to a telescope just made contact with at the far reaches of the universe. If you're interested in keeping up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell. What lies beyond the observable universe? To reach the far reaches of the observable universe, we would need to develop transportation methods that would allow us to transcend space and time, such as using a distortion engine or wormholes. This concept had long been the subject of debate among scientists, some of whom believe that they are simply impossible and that they contradict the idea of faster-than-light speed travel. The viability of both possibilities, faster-than-light travel and the use of advanced technology beyond the reach of current human intelligence, is a subject of intense debate. Even if they were theoretically possible, it would require technological advances in machinery that are clearly beyond our capabilities. The theory of cosmic inflation posits that the total size of the universe is at least 10 to the power of 23 times larger than the observable universe. This number is so vast that it is incomprehensible to the human mind. Since we cannot see or measure the unobservable part of the universe, we have no way of knowing with certainty whether it's beyond its limits. However, that does not mean that we cannot develop theories based on the information we have gathered from distinct galaxies, and this is where NASA plays an important role. NASA, in collaboration with other space agencies and research institutions around the world, has made numerous significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. Even before the James Webb Telescope became operational this year, NASA had already published images of the ultra-deep field obtained with the Hubble telescope. When the James Webb Telescope made its debut, it was taken out to observe the most distant galaxies ever recorded. These images revealed the presence of numerous galaxies shining in the distant cosmos, apparently as they were millions of years after the Big Bang occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The expansion of the cosmos causes the stretching of light to redder wavelengths, which allows the James Webb Telescope to detect infrared light. This has allowed us to observe galaxies forming in the early stages of the universe's history. The James Webb Telescope has made observations of several fields of distant galaxies, allowing scientists to study the rate at which they formed in the early universe. These data revealed the existence of a significant population of galaxies that were forming stars in the early stages of the universe. Are there extraterrestrial beings somewhere in the universe? The likelihood of life beyond Earth has never been more compelling, leading us to consider the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrials. There are numerous planets outside our solar system, known as exoplanets, which have been discovered using techniques such as the transit method and the radial method. Some of these exoplanets may have Earth-like characteristics and harbor life. This theory has been supported by another discovery made thanks to the James Webb Telescope related to the exoplanet WASP 96b. This planet is located outside our solar system, and its light spectrum reveals something surprising: the presence of water molecules. In addition, the spectrum also shows signs of haze and clouds, which were not previously thought to exist on a habitable planet. Based on the habitable environments found elsewhere in the universe and considering the advances in the search for exoplanets, it is difficult to rule out the possibility that alien beings exist beyond our planet. Although we do not yet have conclusive proof, discoveries and evidence suggest that the existence of extraterrestrial life is a fascinating possibility. What about the multiverse? In relation to the vastness of the observable universe, let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. The concept of the multiverse, also known as the many worlds interpretation, is a theoretical idea in physics and philosophy that suggests the existence of multiple parallel universes or dimensions beyond our own. The multiverse is mainly discussed in the context of quantum physics, which deals with the behavior of tiny particles such as atoms and subatomic particles. According to some interpretations of quantum physics, the act of observation can cause a quantum system to collapse into a single state. However, in the many worlds interpretation, the act of observation simply causes the system to split into multiple states, each representing a different outcome. It is important to note that the idea of the multiverse remains highly speculative and is not yet supported by conclusive evidence. It is therefore difficult to state with certainty whether it is a valid concept or not. Some scientists and philosophers find the idea of the multiverse intriguing and potentially useful in explaining certain phenomena, while others are skeptical about its validity. Given that we do not know what lies outside our universe, the possibility of the existence of a multiverse remains as valid as famous thought experiments like Schrödinger's cat or the nature of darkness. It is a concept that arouses fascination and reflection, but requires further research and evidence to be confirmed. Thus, the phenomenon known as dark flow exists. The question is complex and raises intriguing issues. Dark flow emerged in 2008 as a possible explanation for the observation that some galaxy clusters appear to be moving faster than expected based on the distribution of matter in the universe. The concept of dark flow suggests that these galaxy clusters may be influenced by some form of dark matter or dark energy that pulls them in a specific direction. However, the existence of dark flow remains controversial and has not been accepted by the scientific community at large. Some studies have suggested that dark flow may be real and could be caused by the presence of a massive structure in the universe that exerts an attraction on galaxy clusters. However, other studies have failed to confirm the existence of dark flow and have proposed that the observed motion of galaxy clusters could be the result of other factors, such as systematic errors in the detected galaxies. While some other studies suggest this possible existence, we cannot state with certainty its presence outside the observable universe. More research and evidence are needed to better understand this intriguing phenomenon. What do you think? Let us know in the comments box. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.